Hi everyone, it's T here from the Information Lab Data School UK. Want to learn how to zoom in and out on a scatter plot? Use this feature to enhance your stories and show others your skills. Click on one point or select a group to zoom in and click again to zoom out. We're going to use Tableau Desktop and we're going to connect to Sample Superstore. We'll use profit ratio, average discount, order date continuous month. We're going to create 4 parameters and 4 worksheet actions. Connect to Data Superstore, then select profit ratio, drag it to columns, discount to rows, make it into an average, go to order date, right click, drag it into details, select it continuous month. Let's make this into full circles. Now, let's make 4 parameters. Click at the arrow, go into create parameter. Let's make the first one min profit ratio. We're not going to change anything, just click on OK. Let's make another one. This one is max profit ratio. Go and select OK. Next one is min average discount. And finally, we have max average discount. Let's show all of these parameters. You can see that all are set at 1. Okay, let's make this an entire view. And now we're going to create our worksheet actions. The top left, click on worksheet, click actions. We're going to add action. We're going to change parameters. We have to do 4 of those as well. So let's create min profit ratio. We're going to change the target parameter to min profit ratio, source field to average profit ratio, and then the aggregation has to be min. We click select, but then we change clearing this will set values to, and we get the minimum of our profit ratio, which is minus 0.2. We click OK. I'm going to add another change parameter action. Let's call this one max profit ratio. Target parameter has to be the max profit ratio. Source sheet as well, average profit ratio, aggregation maximum. Clearing this will set values to, and we check the maximum that we have, and that is 0.3. Let's click OK. Add another change parameter, call it minimum average discount. Target parameter, minimum average discount. Source sheet now is average discount. Change the aggregation to minimum. Set values to 0.07. That will work here. Click on OK. Let's add the last one, which is change parameter, max average discount. Target also on max average discount. Source sheet, discount, aggregation, maximum. And then we set our values to 0.2 in this case. And we click OK. Now, until then, nothing's going to change, but we need to change things on the axis. Double click on the average discount axis. In general, on the range, change from automatic to custom. Change your fixed start from fixed start to minimum average discount, and the fixed end will go to maximum average discount. We'll do now the same thing for the other axis, from automatic to custom, from fixed to minimum profit ratio, and the fixed end to max profit ratio. And then we can click over there. And now, every time we click on a point, or if we select more than one, this will zoom in. If you click again, this will zoom out. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.